सिंहास्तनोत्रो श्री श्री राधा श्री गोविंद देव पृष्ठालु स्मरामि श्रीमान रासरसारंभे वंशी वट तटस्थित कर्षण वेणु शनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ शेषूर ओम वृंदाई तुलसी देव प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवती श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे श्री कृष्ण हईते चतुर्मुखा कृष्ण सेवन्मुखा ब्रह्मा हईते नारदेरमोति नारद हईते व्यास मद कहेन व्यास दास पूर्ण प्रग पद्मनाभ गोति नियोरी माधव शिषा बोली अंगीकार करी अक्षवेर शिष्य जय पिता नामे परिचय तार दासे ज्ञान सिंधु तरे ताहा हईते दया निधि तार दास विद्यानि राजेन्द्र हो ताहा हईते ताहार किंकर जय धर्म नामे परिचय परंपरा जन जय दास दासे ताहा हईते नमन तीर्थ सूरी व्यास तीर्थ तार दास लक्ष्मीपति व्यास दास ताहा हईते माधवेन्द्र पुरी माधवेन्द्रपुरी नित्यानंद पुरी के पुरी लैन श्री चैतन्य जगत गुरु गौरा महाप्रभु श्री चैतन्य राधा कृष्ण रूपानुग जने जीवन विश्वम्बर प्रियम्बर श्री गोस्वामी Krishna Priya Mahajana শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ। গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে পুলক শরীর, হরি হরি বলিতে মনে ভবে নীর। আর কবিনি তাই করুণা হইবে, সংসার বাসনা মূল অবিচ্ছুত হবে। জয় ছাড়িয়া কবে সুন্দর বিমান, অবিহামহে রব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন। রূপ রঘুনাথ পদে হইবে আকুতি, কবে হাম ভূয়া বসে যুগল প্রীতি। রঘুনাথ পদে রঘু মোর আশা, প্রার্থনা করো ঈশ্বর নরোত্তম দাস। সচিদানন্দ জয় গৌরহরি, সচিদানন্দ জয় গৌরহরি। শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু জীবিত করি, সপার্ষদম সহায় অবতরি। অনন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারি দান, শিখাই শরণ গতি ভক্তির প্রাণ। দৈনয়াত্মনিবেদন গোপীতে বরণ, অবসর ফিরে কৃষ্ণ বিশ্বাস পালন। ভক্তি অনুকূল মাত্র কার্যের শিকার, ভক্তি প্রতিকূল ভাব ভজন অঙ্গীকার। সরঙ্গ শরণগতি হইবে যাহার, তাহার প্রার্থনা শুনে শ্রীনন্দ কুমার। রূপসনাতন পদে দন্তে তৃণ গৌরী, ভকতি বিনোদ পরে পদ ধরি। আর কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া বলি আমি জয় ধাম, শিখাই শরণ গতি ভকতির পান। জয় ভক্ত জয় গৌরহরি, সর্বপাশারি জয় গৌরহরি। রাধে জয় রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দয়িতে, রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দয়িতে। গোকুল তরুণী মণ্ডল মহিতে, গোকুল তরুণী মণ্ডল মহিতে। রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দয়িতে, রাধে জয় জয় মাধব দয়িতে। দামোদর রতি বর্ধন বেশে, হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দ বিপিনে সে। দামোদর রতি বর্ধন বেশে, হরি নিষ্কুট বৃন্দ Chinna Vipineshe Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Shravanu Dina Basasi Leke Lalita Sake Guna Ramita Visake Shravanu Dina Basasi Leke Lalita Sake Guna Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Karunan Kurumai Karuna Borite Sanapa Sanatana Varnita Charite Karunan Kurumai Karuna Borite Sanaka Sanatana Varnita Charite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Guru Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Guru Hari Bol Rutvan Hari Bol Jai Jai Shri Ram. We leave here what time?
I think 8:45. Pack the car, 9 leave.
9 o'clock leave. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnana Salakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikave Dale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Sadbhaktaya Vanchakrutatipaya Ritanang Pavane Bho Vaishnave Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Sapta Sandhu Ganapati Samadhi Radhika. Thế không which one? Anuraga Sindhu
Dakshinabhav. Anurag Sindhu.
Vaidagda Sindhu Anuraga Rasaika Sindhu Vatsalya Sindhu Otisandra Kripaika Sindhu Lavanya Sindhu Amrita Chavirupa Sindhu Shri Radhika Spuratu Me Hridikeli Sindhu. So Vaidagdha Sindhu. Finish. Eh? Then we start. Which Sindhu? Anuraga Sindhu. So yesterday we also discussed there are two symptoms of anurag. One is paraspar snehanubandhanam and other is darsane atriptata. In paraspar darsane Snehanubandhanam. And they being bound to each other by their love and affection, the hero and heroine loving attachment and incessantly manifested in their hearts as Navanavayanman, newly and fresh. In darshan atriptata, the divine couple having met each other again and again, still not satisfied, want to meet again. The anurag of Srimati Radhika is compared to ocean of milk. As milk is boiled and transformed into the condensed milk, in the same way when Srimati Radhika's anurag is condensed, it becomes transformed into Mahabhav and in described state of statics. The ocean of Srimati Radhika meet with Krishna. One Srimati Radhika met with Krishna in her kunja. As she was coming out of the kunja and she met Lalita Devi and waiting outside. Lalita Devi asked Srimati Radhika, "O Radhe, could you please glorify Krishna's form and tell me to his beauty?" Srimati Radhika replied, "Sam Solone कैसे है वो श्याम सोलने यार भे है श्याम सोलने कैसे है मैंने उसे कभी भी नहीं देखा. हाउ इज द ब्यूटीफुल श्याम आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम. वे कभी मेरे नयन पथ में आएंगे. वे कभी मेरे नयन पथ में आएंगे. Will he appear before my eyes? Lalita Devi replied, "O Pagli, Radhe, you have just come from meeting with him. What are you saying?" Srimati Radhika in her Mahabhav became completely bewildered and began to cry and fainted. Sri Gopi Vacha. Aho Vidhata Tabana Koche Daya Samyoga Maitri Pranayena Dehinam Tam Sarajana Vyugnata Vikvitam Te Arabhachete Stitam. O Gopis, the Gopis said, "O Providence, you have no mercy. You bring embodiment of the creatures and together in friendship and love, and the senselessly separate them before they fulfill their desires."
Whimsical.
play play of yours is like a child game. Huh? You learn this sloka or not? Aho vidhata tabana kachi daya sanjuga maitri pranayena deherva tam tasya vidhatam arvakam chestitam te. Arvakam chestitam. Arvakam means balakam, as a small baby. All the activities of small baby. The Gopi said, O Providence, you have no mercy. You bring embodied and creatures and together in the friendship and love, and then senselessly separate from them before they fulfill their desires. This whimsical play of yours like a child game. This description of Mahabhav has been given in Gopi Gita. Atati jad bhavan annikananam trute jugayate tam upasatam kutila kuntalam srimukanchate jada udrikchatam pakshake drisam. Very nice slogan. Atati jad bhavan annikananam trute jugayate tam upasatam kutila kuntalam srimukanchate jada udrikchatam pakshake drisam. When you go up to the forest during the day, a tiny fraction of second becomes like a millennium for us because we cannot see you. And even when we can eagerly look upon your beautiful face, so lovely with its adornment of curly locks, our pleasure is hunted by your eyelids, and which are the fascinated by foolish creatures. And Gopis Viraha Dasa. How many types of Viraha he explained? 3 types. Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, and Bhavva Viraha. What do you say? No, first is called Bhavi Viraha. Bhavi, Bhavan or Bhavva. Right or not? What do you write?
Bhavi, Bhavan, Bhava.
Bhavi, Bhavan and Bhavva. Bhavi means future. Krishna still remained in Braj. Just Akrur came and Akrur told to Nanda Maharaj that tomorrow Krishna and Balaram, they will go Mathura, Vrindavan to Mathura. Tomorrow early in the morning they will go. So Gopis when heard this, then Gopis they felt pang of separation from Krishna. That is called Bhavi Viraha. Understand? Viraha means separation, future separation. Or Bhavi. Bhavan Viraha, when Krishna and Balaram seated on the chariot of Akrura, almost proceed to Vrindavan to Mathura, that time gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And all the gopis, they also surrounded the chariot of Krishna. They lay down. And they feeling separation. That types of separation is called Bhavan Viraha, means pageant. And pageant separation. So, Bhavi, Bhavan and Bhavya Viraha. When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, then Mathura to Krishna, left Dwarakapuri. That time gopis, they completely are hopeless, helpless and hopeless. That time thinking Krishna will not come back. This is that.
This is when the gopis are going in front of the chariot.
Yeah, this is the Bhavan Viraha. Gopis, they surrounded. And they tried to stop to go to Mathura. This types of Viraha is called Bhavan Viraha. Bhavan means pageant is going on this continuous. Pageant continuous. Bhavi, Bhavan and Bhavya Viraha, they passed. Many years passed. Then gopis thinking Krishna will come back. Because when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, that time gopis told to, Krishna told to them, Parassu ayasame iti daityakam. What did he say? Parassu ayasame iti daityakam. Today I am going, and Krishna told, hey gopis, don't worry. Today I am going to Mathura, Vrindavan to Mathura. Tomorrow I will kill Kamsa. Then day after tomorrow I will come back. So the Sanskrit word Parassu ayasame iti daityakam. But Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. They are thinking Vrindavan and Mathura are not so very far. They will come back. Krishna will come back. So for this regard, they are survive their pang of separation from Krishna. But when Krishna left Mathura to Dwarakapuri, that time gopis, they completely were hopeless and helpless. Hopeless and helpless. The Krishna is going to how possible? Krishna is going very far. Dwarakapuri is very far. And then they heard Krishna, he also married 60,108 queens there. And they heard Krishna also, he is called the king of Dwarka. He is called Dwarkadhish Krishna. Dwarkadhish Krishna, no? You know, he is Dwarkadhish. So gopis, they are thinking how possible Krishna will come back. So one gopi, she came in Dwarakapuri and also message to Krishna. They are singing this. This song is here not. Brajer kanai braje so dindagi. Not giving. They are singing it. Brajer kanai braje so dindui kermoto. Shridam kande sudam shridam kande kanche obirato. Hey Krishna, you are belongs to Braj. So please return back Braj. So Brajer Kanai Brajeso Dinduye Ker Mato Sridam Kande Kanche Obirato Brajer Kanai Brajeso Dinduye Ker Mato. Hey Krishna, you are belongs to Braj. You are not belongs to Dwarkapuri. Hari geche Brajer Kanai Darabatir dese. Braja Gopi Kendi Akul Nayan Jali Bhase. Nice song. What do you say? Hari geche Brajer Kanai. Braj Krishna. And Krishna he belongs to Braj. And now he completely lost in Dwarka. Brajer Kanai, Brajer Din. Hari geche Brajer Kanai Darabati dese. Darabati means Dwarkapuri. So saying Brajer Kanai Braje eso Dinduye Ker Mato. Hari geche Brajer Kanai Darabati dese. Hari geche Brajer Kanai Darabati dese. This song is very nice, pathetic song. When he used to go Brajamandal Parikrama in the place of Bangsi Wat. You went Bangsi Wat not? Did you know Brajamandal Parikrama? What we did?
3 times Navadvip.
3 times Navadvip. Vrindavan? Hey, Vrindavan, come. Okay, this time. So saying, Brajer Kanai, Braje Chalo, Dinduye Ker Mato, Sridam Kande, Kanche Obirato, Brajer Kanai, Braje Chalo, Dinduye Ker Mato. That time Sridam body is called also. That body is called Bhat, understand? No? Sridam Bhat. Sridam Bhat meaning? The brother of Srimati Radhika. Bhat means banyan tree. Under the banyan tree, Sridam, he was waiting for Krishna. Very pathetic. And that banyan tree's name is called also Bangsi Bhat. What called? Bangsi Bhat. In Vrindavan, Braj, many Bangsi Bhat also, not only one. Generally, when you use this word Bangsi Bhat, then you are thinking in Vrindavan where Krishna performed a Ras dance. That is called Bangsi Bhat. But there are many banyan trees in Vrindavan. And where Krishna, he also played the flute. And for this regard, that banyan tree's name is called Bangsi Bhat. What do you say? You understand? Why the Bangsi Bhat name coming? As I told you. Are you flute? Where Krishna, he played the flute under the banyan tree. So for this regard, that banyan tree's name is called Bangsi Bhat. 2 words, Bangsi and Bhat. Bangsi means a flute. Bhat means mango tree. Which tree? Bhat means which tree? Mango tree, jackfruit trees. Which tree?
Banyan tree.
Hari banyan tree. How you are not listening, I think so. Listen or not? Bangsi Bhat. Bangsi what means? What did he say?
Why Krishna put the flute under the banyan tree?
Yeah, but simple. Right?
Yeah.
You're a nice boy. But so many Bangsi Bhat is there where Krishna played the flute under the banyan tree. Here also this we discuss about Bangshivat, very close to Bhandirvat. Where? Bhandirvat. And Bhandirvan, Bhandirvat, Madhvan. You have to sometimes stay in Braj and go there, all the places. Then you will become Brajavasi. If we say I am Brajavasi, but we don't know where the Bangshivat, what will say? How will we say I am Brajavasi? Understand? If you want to say I am Brajavasi, so you have to know these places where Krishna played the flute under the banyan tree, Bangshivat. We are singing it. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, Sri Govinda Gopinatha, Madana Mohan, Samakunda, Radhakunda, Giri Govardhan, Kalindi Joguna Jaya, Jaya Mohan, Kesi Ghata Bangsi Bata, Dadasa Kana, Jaha Sabalila Koino, Srinandanandan, Jaya Rama Ghata, Jaya Rohini Nana, Jaya Jaya Vrindavana Basi Jata Jana, Jaya Dija Patni, Jaya Naga Kannagan, Ite Jahara Paila Govinda Charan, Shri Rasa Mandala, Jaya Jaya Radha Sam, Jaya Jaya Rasa Lila Sarva Manura, Jaya Jaya Jala Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar, Arakiya Bhavi Jaha Brajite Praja, Shri Janna Parpada Padma Koriya Smaran, Dina Krishna Dasa Kahi Nama Sankirtan. Every day we are singing, every day we are doing Brajamandal Parikrama. You come or not? She did not come. Mangala Arati not coming.
I come for Parikram.
You come Parikrama? Which Parikrama?
Bengal Prachar, Navadvip Bab.
Are na Mangala Arati you came or not?
He's talking about Mangalarti. Yesterday I come Mangalarti.
Another crazy. Today you did not come.
They not come.
Yesterday you took prasad or not? Yesterday. Today
No pressure.
no prasad. No Mangala Arati, no prasad. So, Brajamandal Parikrama every day we are doing. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, Sri Govinda Gopinath, Madana Mohan, Sam Kunda, Radha Kunda, Giri Govardhan, Kalindi Joguna Jaya, Jaya Mahavan, Kesi Ghat of Bangshivat. Kesi Ghat and Bangshivat. So how many Bangshivat? Many. Not only one. One Bangshivat, but generally people they know the Bangshivat and where Krishna played the flute under the banyan tree. That is called Rasasthali Vrindavan. Very close to what is called Gopeshwar Mahadev. But there are many also Rasasthali, Ras Mandapa in Braj. Not only one. Understand? If you go Giriraj Govardhan, also they are nearby Giriraj Govardhan, also one Rasasthali there. Where? Could you remember? Giriraj Govardhan, where is that Rasasthali? Okay. He did not go Vrindavan Dham Parikrama. So you don't know. If you go Rasasthali, one Rasasthali also in Giriraj Govardhan, after what is called Puchri Lota, understand? And Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama, then going Govinda Kunda. After Govinda Kunda, then going to Puchri Lota.
The end of Giriraj. at the-
Giriraj Govardhan loading this way.
Yeah, when you make the turn.
Then coming, where there Srinathji Mandir. Is Srinathji Thakur, very nice, beautiful there. Where Raghav Pandit was staying in there. You saw or not? You did not go.
I went once.
Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama?
Yeah, I did once.
Yeah, this Thakurji there, this Srinathji, very nice, beautiful there. Understand? When used to go, that every time we were lucky, they also Abhishek to Thakurji.
Oh, wow.
Very nice, beautiful. So that place is, and that place is one big place, open place, and that place is called Rasasthali, where Krishna perform Ras dance with the gopis. Very nice, beautiful place is there. And so why I'm saying, because they are in Braj, many Rasasthali, in many places Krishna perform Ras dance. But when he used this Ras dance katha, then mainly we mention the Rasasthali means Bangsi Wat. And where Krishna played the flute under the banyan tree and on the bank of Jamuna. Then this is the thing. Gopeshwar Mahadev, after taking Gopeshwar Mahadev, then we going to Bangsi Wat. So Jaya Rama Ghata Jaya, Bangsi Wat is there. Okay. So, but another Bangsi Wat we discussed, Siddham Wat or Bangsi Wat nearby, Bhandir Wat. You went Bhandir Wat, no? So, you don't know. So there also this Siddham, he felt frank of separation from Krishna. Siddham, he has so much love and affection with Krishna. And when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, then Siddham, he was crying and crying, and Siddham, he came in Bangsi Wat and crying and crying. So far this Bengali song explained this. হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই দারাবতীর দেশে ব্রজগোপী কেঁদে আকুল নয়ন জলে ভাসে. Krishna now is completely lost in Daravati. Daravati means Dwarkapuri. So হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই দারাবতীর দেশে. আর ব্রজগোপী কেঁদে আকুল নয়ন জলে ভাসে. All the Braj gopis, they are crying and crying. And now Vrindavan completely flooded with the tears of the gopis. So as a big flood has come. How Braj gopis, thousands, millions gopis, they are crying. Understand? So saying this way, Hariye geche Brajeri Kanai, Darabhatir deshe, Brajagopī kendi akulo nayan jale bhase. Brajer kanai, braje so dindu eker moto. Hey Krishna, you are belongs to Braj. So please you come in Braj just 1 or 2 days. Din duye ker moto. He is saying, how many days? Din duye ker moto. Very tiny time you can come. 1 day, 2 days, or half day. You come. This thing. So all they say, the gopis, they are saying this one. Hariye geche brajer kanai daravati deshe. Braja gopi kendi akul nayan jale vese. Siddham kandi, for this regard you there. Siddham kandi, Sudam kandi, kanche obirato. Still Sudam and Siddham. All they are crying for you. So Siddham kandi, Sudam kande kanche obirata. Your friends, Subal, Sudam, all they are crying for you. So please you come back in Braj. So just I also mentioned this way. Our gopis, they completely were fainted. Because they have so much love and affection with Krishna. When Krishna left Mathura to Dwarkapuri, and when they heard that Krishna also married 108 queens are there. And that time Braj Gopi, they completely were hopeless. Oh, now Krishna will not come back. They are crying and crying situation. Understand this? So these types of viraha, separation for Krishna, that is called bhavva viraha. Bhava meaning past. What will do now? Follow Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Okay. Here, Atati Jod Bhavan Annikananam Truti Jugayate Tamopasatam Kotila Kuntalam Srimukhanchate Jada Udrikchatam Pakshake Drisam. When you go up to the forest during the day, a tiny fraction of a second become like a millennium for us because we cannot see you. And even when we can eagerly look upon your beautiful face, so lovely with its adornment of curly locks, and your pleasure is hidden by our eyelids, and which are the fashioned by the foolish creators. And Gopis, they criticize to Brahma. This is that means. Adhidada bhavan annikananam truti jugayate tam upassatam kutila kuntalang srimukhanchate jada udrikchatam pakshake drisam. Here jada. Jada means you are foolish. Why? Because you manifest our very nice beautiful form of beloved Krishna. And you only give us 2 eyes. Small eyes or no? Eyes are here, very small. So how possible to take darshan the beautiful form of our Krishna? Not problem. But Gopis is saying, you also give us also eyelids. Eyelids also are obstacle to take darshan to Krishna. Understand? So for the Gopis, they curse to Brahma also again. What is they curse Brahma? Follow? Many times I told. Brahma tu mari se. Hey Brahma, you have to die. Then another person will become and take charge of the position of Brahma. Then he will give us many eyes without eyelids. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Radha. Very nice sloka. Learn the verse. Atati jad bhavan annikananam trute yugayate tam passatam kotila kuntalang srimukhanchate jada udrikchatam pakshake drisam. Eh? This book learn or no? Okay, now 8 o'clock. You have to take prasad. Then you leave 9 o'clock. Okay. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Prepare to packing also again.
Yeah.
Huh? Back to God, back to home. This is our life. Every 3 days, 4 days.
Packing.
Okay.
Sadhu lang.
Huh? Jai Sri Ram. Janardhan is very lucky. No need to go anywhere. Only staying in. Good or not?
To his wedding.
Huh?
Like Gadadhar Pandit.
Huh?
Like Gadadhar Pandit.
Gadadhar Pandit.
Kshetra sannyas.
Kshetra sannyas. You are now Gadi san. What is it called? Car sannyas.
Gari sannyas.
Car sannyas. Car understand?
Yeah.
He is staying only in car.
Car sanya.
You are not going anywhere. Huh?
Travel means trouble.
Yeah, of course.
This is his
Travel means trouble.
Dave, you could just stay here also.
Huh?
You could just stay here also.
I am staying here also.
He's always here. He's always here. Oh.